Thank you, everyone. I think you need an orthopedic surgeon after that dance that you did just now. But well done. It was awesome. I am Dr. Adarsh Annapareddy. I am from KIMS, Begumpet and Sunshine Bone and Joint Institute. I'm glad to be here with all of you at TFMC. I've been here, this is the third or fourth time I'm here. I know many of you by face. I think a lot of you know me. You know our boss, Dr. Guravareddy, much better. Satya Garu is a close, he's like family right now. So TFMC, whenever the event happens, we feel that it's our event happening. So we can never have it without you. So today, I'm going to speak. Usually, we're here to give our services to you, which I always will. Today also, we're going to talk about what we have to offer from Sunshine Bone and Joint Institute and KIMS hospitals. But I also have an appeal to make this time, a little bit different from what we normally talk about. Can we have our slides up? Yeah. So first, what we have to offer. We have our services for you, and we're always there. Whenever you guys have any, not just orthopedics, any kind of issues, medical issues, we're there. I think we have our privilege cards, am I right? So I just want to speak about Sunshine Bone and Joint Institute before I go on to the appeal to make. So achievements through the years. Can you take the slides forward? Do you have a ticker or something? So amongst the top 4 high-volume joint replacement centers in Asia, doing more than 4,000 joint replacements a year. We're one of only 2 hospitals in India with International Society of Orthopaedic Centers membership. So if you see, these are centers all over the country where you have the Hospital for Special Surgery in New York and you have the Endo Clinic in Germany. So out of all those big shots in orthopedics, we are one of them. And it's a very prestigious membership that we have. And of course, Dr. Guravareddy is our founder. He's our guru, our guiding light. And I think you don't have to speak much about him. But he is the one who has given us the vision. And he's one of the topmost orthopedic surgeons in the country, I would say. And under his guidance, we have been able to get 35 orthopedic specialists under one roof. We have the whole gamut of orthopedics at Sunshine Bone and Joint Institute, starting from knee replacements, hip replacements, spine, sports injuries. Nowadays, a lot of people are getting sports injuries like meniscus and ACL ligament tears and stuff, shoulder problems, everything we take care of. Pediatric orthopedics as well. We're doing more than 10,000 major orthopedic procedures annually. And we are also one of the premium centers for robotic joint replacement surgery. We have 4 different robots. And we were actually awarded the fastest, highest number of surgeries per Mako robot in the world. And again, as I mentioned, we have all the divisions of orthopedics under one roof. We also very, very passionate about teaching and about research. So we do a lot of orthopedic research. We have published more than 100 papers now in different peer-reviewed journals. And so our motto is coined by our boss, happiness is happy knees. So we are always there to support you. If any orthopedic issues, Satya Garu, please get in touch with our team. Sandeep is here, Dr. Sandeep. And the whole TFMC, we are one. I say Sunshine and TFMC is one. Now I would like to take it to the appeal. All these years we've been giving our services and then we realized we have to do more. And again, this is the dream of Dr. Guravareddy, our founder. So we've started something called as the Sarvejana Foundation. Can we get the next presentation on, please? Just take a minute of your time. This is something that we're very passionate about. He keeps saying, Dr. Guravareddy keeps saying there are 4 phases of a doctor's life. First phase is phase of learning. Second phase is the phase of earning. Then the phase of teaching, and then finally giving. So he says he's now in the giving part of life. So he started the Sarvejana Foundation. Under Sarvejana, we have 3 offsets. One is Happy Knees, one is Stop Accidents, and one is Share. So Happy Knees is basically, we are doing a lot of free orthopedic procedures for the needy. Basically, he said, a lot of people come and they need knee replacement or hip replacement, they can't afford it. That's where this started. So we say, one for mother and one for others. So where you can contribute over here is, if you have somebody poor or somebody who's working for you for many years and you feel, and they need some orthopedic help and they can't afford it, you can donate an implant and we can do the rest of the things free. The surgery and everything is taken care of by us. So that's one offshoot. Share is the Sarvejana Hip and Knee Academy for Research and Education. We train a lot of surgeons all over the country, especially from Tier 2 cities and towns, where they can't get that much of access to good orthopedic education. so that people from the towns can also get the best surgeries. Most important offset is stop accidents. We wanted to stop, to reduce the number of accidents which are happening in this, not only city, in the country going forward as well, because we see so many people in our emergency department coming with the broken limbs and the broken arms. We can fix them, but some of them lose their lives. Losing a life is one thing, but some of them are bedridden completely, and then the whole family is completely lost. So that's when we realized that we need to do a lot of work in stopping accidents. So this is our board. Janardhan Reddy Garu is ex-IAS retired. He is our CEO, and of course our founder, our chairman. I won't take too much of time here, but how you can help over here, especially TFMC, you guys can all come together, and I think we'll have separate meetings with all of you, and CSR activities can really help to give donations to this. This is a purely donation-driven foundation, and we adopted a first circle, was Wipro Circle, and because there were so many accidents happening there, and we actually adopted that circle, and we took the help of some of the corporates around there, and we actually adopted it, and we painted new zebra crossings. We made sure that there are more education about traffic and everything, and we've actually managed to reduce the accidents there already by 2-3% in the last few months. So probably we'll meet each council separately, and we'd love to have your support. And this is our sincere appeal to all of you. You can just visit our website, Sarvejana Foundation, and also share it with Satya Garu. And if you have anybody who you feel can benefit from this, please bring them to us as well. It's not just asking for money, it's not that. If you feel anybody can benefit from the Happy Knees, or if you feel that there's any area near your office which can be adopted and reduce the number of accidents, come forward and we'll adopt that junction. So thank you so much for your time, and we'll be in touch.